Zuniboto de Planning and Transformation Department under Vikshit Nagalin 2047. They Egdin Karne District Stakeholder Consultation Workshop Thagishe DC Conference Hall consultation laga primary objective to 2030, 2038 or 2047 Karne define visionary targets, multi-sectoral perspectives or identity systemic gaps ase. Program le Zuniboto Deputy Commissioner Dharam Rajpara Vikshit Nagalin 2024 vision laga overview do janai dishi tade soka pra grassroots challenges aro purpose kan bujibole karne aim kurigina session rakhi ase. Workshop thagyare district line department pra 5 thematic stage working group under challenges or purpose strategies kan janai dishi. Program de church leaders, civil society organization, head of departments or school college par representatives ka naigina participate krishi.
Everyone knows we have a lot of shortfall when it comes to development, especially in the government infrastructure. So that's what we are here for. So that shortfall, I don't know, I mean, there is a policy lacking also. We lack certain policy, that's why we are seeing the situation now. So every department, those who are present here, I mean, I don't know whether all the departments are present today, but surely I can see medical, I can see water resource, I can see other departments also, education, I can see government college. So there are a lot of departments, we are planning also. So if you could be kind enough to let us know about your problem. So we will take it further, and I expect Niti Ayog to be generous to our district at least. And later on, if there is anything from their side, any kind of gap funding or something would be provided from the Niti Ayog side, will be gracious. I mean, will be very grateful to them for that also. So thank you, and I give time to the line departments also now to give a briefing on the 5 SWG resources, lack of resources related to generation of revenue. I mean, challenges like revenue generation, etc. They are also there. So Niti Ayog not only should help the government in improving the infrastructure, but they should also help the government in maintaining and increasing the level of resources in the state. They should help the state devise a mechanism so that the state becomes self-sufficient, self-sustainable in financial matters, in policy matters. There has to be some kind of capacity building. So that kind of intervention we seek from the Niti Ayog. There are some lacunas in implementation of policy at the departmental level. I think Niti Ayog also has to highlight that to the state government. And the role of the HODs in the districts as well as the district administration, which has not been, I mean, the role has not been assigned, or we have not utilized the services of the HODs and the district administration to the fullest. So I think this is time that more responsibility and authority must be given to the field functionaries. There has to be some kind of decentralization of the powers, and because over the years we have seen the centralization of power. Everything is being decided sitting in Kohima while they are not aware of the ground realities. That should not happen. So I think that kind of suggestion we should pass on to the state government, especially in very schemes like NEC, donor, there is no say from the district side. Minority affairs, tribal affairs, tourism, absolutely no say. That should not be the case. And even for the CSS schemes also, there is very little say for the HOD also. So, CSS schemes are not being implemented the way they should be, and the potential for development, that's how there is a lot of potential for improvement and development through this CSS schemes. I think if the CSS schemes could only be implemented properly, Nagaland will become one of the best states in the country.